Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how to install Virtualbox on Windows 11. So the first step you have to do is to head over to Google and search download Virtualbox. As you can see here, these are the searches. Now click on the first link and you will head over to this website. Choose Windows, Mac, Linux on whichever operating system you are working. I am on Windows, so I will choose Windows. Click on Windows. As you can see, it has started downloading. So after downloading it, you can see the file. Just open the setup and the installer will pop up. Click on next, next, yes, yes, and click on install. And as you can see, the installation has been completed. Click on the finish button and it will launch the virtual box on your computer. As you can see here, the virtual box manager has been launched. Thanks for watching guys. That's it. Leave a like and comment on this video and make sure to subscribe to this channel.